Okay guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa City of Bridge, Saskatoon. With my family.
Hindi sila sinarado.
Oh, I forgot to shut the door. Jace! What's up, Jace? What's up, Jace? This is my son, guys.
I'm in a bad mood.
Oh my! Oh, no! Get away, get away.
Sorry.
Sorry. Ayan guys, akyat tayo dun guys. Kasi nakita nyo yun guys, yun yung mga memories. Yung maraming mga padlock dyan. So guys, we're on top right now. Ayan guys, oh. Ganda, diba? City of Bridge. Ito, isa lang po to sa mga bridge dito sa Saskatoon. Let's go.
The bridge got broken.
Let's go.
Like literally.